guys, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a ground beef cheesy crescent casserole. You're going to need a pound of ground beef. I'm using lean, 20% fat, to your preference. A little bit of taco seasoning, hot, as well up to your preference. I got Mexican style cheddar cheese. You can use whatever you want. Can of sweet corn and Pillsbury 8-roll crescents. Now you're going to start with a hot pan, adding in a little bit of olive oil and your beef, as well as your can of sweet corn. Then I added in the hot taco seasoning. Now if you don't want to use hot, you can always go with mild or original. Now you're gonna mix it around just so it doesn't burn on the edges, but it should take you about 5 to 6 minutes to get the whole pound of meat cooked and ready. So it's just finished cooking. So the next step is to spoon this out and put this into your individual pan, so we're ready for the next step. Once you have a good amount of meat at the bottom, you're going to start sprinkling the cheese. Now you are going to do this twice, so just be aware of how much you're putting in on that bottom layer. Once you're done, then we are ready to start putting in the crescent dough on top. Just giving it a few taps once it pops open. How they're looking. They look done. They're sizzling hot. You can see how they're bubbling. Out of the way. Awesome. After letting the casserole cool down for a few minutes, I went ahead and started preparing it to be in serving sizes. Now the pan was still hot, so just be careful when you are trying to serve this at home. And as you can see, I decided to pair this cheesy casserole with a tostada and drizzled on top a little bit of Mexican sour cream, which is just very liquidy, as well as a little bit of green salsa. It was very mild, nothing spicy.